There once was a giant snake who lived in the sewers of New York. He was big and green and slimy, and he loved to eat people whole. Giant snake, what are you doing in New York City? You're scaring all the people, and you're making a big mess. The police tried to catch him, but he was too fast and too strong. He ate their cars and their trucks, and he even ate a few of their boats. The mayor called in the army, but they couldn't even hurt him. He just laughed at their bullets, and he ate their tanks for lunch. Finally, a brave little girl found a way to defeat the snake. She snuck into his lair, and she cut off his head.